Nawagan guys, nanata sa ito ang ikaduha nga example about homogeneous. So, again, the first step na to is pangitaon na to kung unsa ang degree sa ato ang equation. Labaw na sa ato ang first term and sa ato ang second term. So, let na budta. Let m is equal to x minus 2y. Then n is equal to 2x plus y. Whereas we have 1 degree or first degree, and we have first degree. So, dili na to sila pwede ma-add because wala na ka-multiply, di ba? So, same sila. Na sila ay 1 degree. Okay? So, again, the second step is we need to let our y is equal to vx. Then, dy is equal to the differentiation of v plus x. That is u dv plus v du, di ba? So, this is your u, this is your v. So, we have v dx then plus x dv. So, diyan na to makuha guys kung ano nag-dy na siya. Then, afterwards, substitute na to ang value ni y and dy sa ato ang original na equation. So, that is x minus 2 then minus 2 vx then dx plus 2x plus y is vx then dy is v dx plus x dv then equal to 0. So, mo na to ang bag-o nga equation. So, after ana, kailangan na to i-distribute ang ato ang dx sa inner side. Diri nga side, apply na to FOIL method. So, muna sa first term, that is x minus 2 bx then dx then plus take note ato ang applyan og FOIL method. Okay. Oh, sorry. Mali. Oh, this one. Okay. So, FOIL method. Then we have 2xv dx then plus 2x squared dv then plus v squared x dx then plus vx squared dv then equal to 0. Okay, distribute na to ato ang dx. Then this will become, okay, distribute na to down guys. That is x dx then minus 2 vx dx. Okay. Then afterwards, mangita ta og same og variable. So this one and this one. So na pa ba? So wala na, dili na sila same, dili x squared. Then sa fifth term is v squared x. So sa 6 is vx squared. So for this one, same man jud sila tanan, so cancel out na to. Okay? Cancel out. Then remaining equation is x dx plus 2 x squared dv plus v squared x then dx plus v x squared dv is equal to 0. Then after na guys, ato ang group na to in terms of, okay, terms of dx. So natay dx o diri. Then dv and dv. So rewrite na to ang equation. So x dx then plus v squared x dx, then plus 2x squared plus dv, then plus bx squared dv, then equal to 0. Take note guys na sila ay common nga x's. X, then x. Ang pinakagamay nga pwede na ma-extract is the first degree lang sa x. So which means multiply na to both sides by 1 over x. So atong equation will become dx. I'm sorry. Equation will become dx plus b squared dx plus 2x dv, then plus 2x dv plus vx dv, then equal to 0. Then afterwards, atong i-factor out si dx kani nga term. Okay? So, kani nga term dx. So, para mas klaro, ito ang butangan o bracket sign. So, factor out na to si dx. So, may mo ning 1 plus b squared, then dx, then plus x times 2 plus v, then dv is equal to 0. Okay? Next step na to. Next step na to is to ang transpose sa right side ang ato ang second term na equation, 1 plus v squared, then dx is equal to negative x, 2 plus v, then dv. Okay, so afterwards, cross multiply. Okay, so cross multiply. So, si 1 plus v squared, transpose na to, and si x, transpose na to. Then, we write the equation, this is dx over x is equal to negative 2 plus v, then dv over 1 plus v squared. Okay? So, sa to ang right side guys, dili na to pwede integrate diretso because naa siya term sa numerator niya. So, unsa tong buhaton na? So, the first step is atuang i-distribute si denominator sa atuang numerator. Okay, so we have two terms sa atuang numerator, so which means pwede na to ni-sulat as negative 2 over 1 plus v squared, then minus na to dv, then minus v over 1 plus v squared, then dv. Diba? So, dali na lang ni siya differentiate. Okay, so differentiate both sides. So, this is ln x, then equal to okay, so equal to kani guys, familiar ba ni sa inyo ha? So, rewrite na to ha, negative 2, pagawas na to, then we have dv over 1 plus v squared. Then, for this one, rewrite na to, then dv over plus v squared. Okay, sa to ang second term, kani nga term, this is our second term, third. Okay, sa second term na to guys, we have dv over 1 plus v squared, whereas it is also equal to tan, tama? Arctan v. Okay, and for 3, we have u is equal to 1 plus v squared. Then du is equal to 2v dv, whereas naatay neutralizing factor nga 1 half. Because naatay v dv sa ato ang numerator. Okay, rewrite the equation. We have -2. Then derivation of this one is arctan v. Then minus 1 half. Then ln 1 plus v squared. Then plus c. Okay, plus c. So, combine na to na yung mga ln, guys. Okay, combine na to and ang negative atong ibalhin. So, we have ln x, then plus 1 half ln 1 plus v squared, then plus 2 arctan v, then equal to c. Okay. Next step para makombine na to ang atuang equation. Para hawa na to si 1 half, guys, we need to multiply both sides by 2. So we have 2 ln x plus ln 1 plus v squared, then plus 4 arctan v, then 2c. So this one will become, ln x squared. So ln x squared. Okay. So ln x squared plus ln 1 plus v squared plus 4 arctan v, then equal to 2c. Okay. So pwede na nato ma-apply ang product rule. So we have ln, then x squared, then 1 plus v squared plus 4 arctan v is equal to 2c. Okay, take note. Wala ba tanaw man sa ito ang mag-solve because we need to again substitute our equation. So, di ba? Kuha na to dapat si v, that is y over x. Then, ato ang new equation is ln x squared 1 plus y squared over x squared. Kaya naka-squared man natong v. So, pag sub na to, mahimo siyang squared. Then, plus 4 arctan, then v is y over x equal to 2c. Okay, next. Next is, kailangan nato kuhaon ang LCD sa itong inner portion, that is x squared. Then, x squared plus y squared over x. Sorry. Na-uniform triangle. X squared. Then, you have x squared. Okay. Then, cancel out na to. So, cancel out na to, guys. Then, plus 4 arctan y over x, then equal to 2c. So, the final answer is ln x squared plus y squared plus 4 arctan y over x, then equal to 2c. Or you can simply use c. So that is our final answer, guys. Thank you so much and God bless.